In this video, we're going to see what SPHL instruction is in 8085. So, what SPHL instruction does is it copies content of HLPR register to stack pointer. So, if we want to dynamically set a certain address in our stack pointer, we can use the SPHL instruction. The syntax is for SPHL is simply SPHL. It is only a 1-byte instruction. Suppose we're asked to write a program to load 16-bit address 4000H in stack pointer. Then we can solve this problem using LXI, first loading the address 4000H in our HLPR and then using SPHL and then terminating the program. So SPHL takes the value of HLPR and then loads it into the stack pointer.